Like that intro, man. I don't know. Once again, we're out here ripping, and you know how we do it. We like to start the videos right into some stuff. Yeah, that little single was super gnar, dude. Like it was just like Graham Jarvis stuff. Yeah, I don't know, this part looks pretty sweet. Let me get a picture here and we'll be back. Remember, go follow me on NickDawg154, Instagram, Instagram. Check out these sweet pictures I upload. I also cut videos on there and post them too. Alright guys, we'll be back. A little photo break. Peace. Alright guys, we got that shot. Sweet shot right here with the rock and all that. Man, it's super windy out here. But you know, makes for some fresh riding. So we're back on the move. Going around that rut because we're squid. Because I'm a squid. I don't have to struggle, I'm not going to. One thing I noticed about this place, super rocky in spots, and on some G outs like this, it's pretty difficult terrain out here, I'll tell you twice. You know? But it's gonna make me a better rider because when it's difficult, you ride difficult. I don't know about you guys, but it's like I'm on the verge of looking for these little cuts out here. And there's one right here. Okay. So super rocky, a lot of nice single tracks, trails. But a lot of them lead to a deep rain rut, so it's, you know, technical. Sometimes you get into stuff that you have to do, otherwise you can't get out, you know, and that's how you learn, usually when you get forced into doing it. Or you follow one of your buddies into some stuff. Oh no! I don't want to get my back muddy. Easy through that. We're just looking around. messing around. Scratch that. No cussing. Okay. Oh, what we rolled on that log. Front wheel rolled on that log. I think I went down this last time I was out here. We'll try it again. Front, Jesus, squid in it. Front wheel rolled on that log. Tipped her over. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I remember this spot. We went down this rut. We didn't go up that. We went right. We're gonna go left. We're gonna go left. Once I start this bitch. Or this girl. Sorry. Try not to be cussing on this channel. Don't cuss, guys. Oh! I don't know where it went. I guess I could have went up there, but that stick stabbed me right in my chest protector, dude. Shout out to the chest protector. Shout out to the chest protector on that one. I didn't want to really head out that way anyways. Just that way. What do you think? Should we go it? Let's do it. Should we go it? Should we go this way? Ah. Always turn around. Come on, squeeze through there, baby. Well, looks like we're going up. Alright, let's do it. Holy smokes! Technical. Let's give it a try. Boot stuck. Ah, went back to zero. Alright. Nope, don't do that. He wants to fly off the cliff. I don't want to go down there. This is literally like a three foot little rock cliff, and it's at a diagonal, like whoa, losing foot. Smash my balls right there. Alright, so I'm just gonna back down now, because look at that, I mean, if I had momentum and I was like skilled like a mother, probably could have hit it. Go ahead and comment what you think of this. I really don't care. Your boy's turning around. Hey, you know, oh, mainly because I'm out here by myself. You know, if I were to like kind of loop out on that and drop down, dude, it'd be a struggle. I probably would, I don't know, maybe I could get out. It's a straight drop off over there. There's no going down. So right here, I know I can turn myself around. So that's why I'm gonna go back. You know, if you're ever here by yourself, never get yourself into a hairy situation where you know, where you think you might, anytime you think, whoa, that stick was holding this. Anytime you think you might not make something, you might get hurt or whatever, you know, usually your instincts are right.
Perfect.
And there you have it. Alright guys, gonna do it for this vid. Smash that like button, share the video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna speed all that up or just let it roll. Might speed some of it up and let it roll. That took me a while. Squid status. But we out here still having fun, dude. I'm pumped, you know? So let's get it. Share this video. Subscribe. Smash that like button. Peace, guys.